Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you a demo of the Instagram auto follow and unfollow bot. This bot can help you grow your Instagram profile really fast and gain a lot of followers in a short time. This bot has 5 different modes: follow users, unfollow users, scrape users from Instagram based on targeted requirements, follow all followers of a specific Instagram profile, unfollow everyone that you are following on Instagram. The way this bot works is very simple. First of all, you scrape users from Instagram based on your targeted requirements. This process gives you an Excel sheet that contains all the Instagram profiles that match your targeting criteria. Then, using the follow users mode, you follow all the users listed in the Excel sheet. Once you follow these users, many of them will start following you back. After 1 or 2 weeks, or maybe a month, once most users have followed you back, you can use the unfollow users mode to unfollow them. You can repeat this process again and again to gain a large number of followers using this bot. This bot can help you grow your Instagram profile and gain thousands of followers in just a few days. Now let me show you a demo of all these 5 modes one by one. I will start the board from scratch and show you everything from the beginning. So I run this board. This board will first open the browser and then open Instagram for me. As you can see, it has opened the browser and Instagram. Now it is asking me to log into my Instagram account and press enter. When you run this board for the first time, you will need to log into your Instagram account. Since I am already logged in, I just press enter. Now I have all 5 modes available to choose from. First, we select mode 3, which is used to scrape followers from profiles. I need to provide a list of profiles from which I want to scrape followers. I already have this list saved in an Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, I have entered 2 profile URLs and the number of followers I want to scrape from each profile. In the same way, you can create an Excel sheet with hundreds of profiles, depending on your requirements. Now I select mode 3 and press enter. It opens a file selection pop-up. I select the input Excel file containing the profile URLs and click open. The bot now starts scraping followers from these profiles. This process may take some time, so I speed up the video to 2 times. Once it completes scraping from one profile, it automatically moves to the next one. Now you can see that scraping has been completed. A total of 595 users were scraped, and the output file has been exported to a specific location. Now we move on to the next mode, which is follow users. I press 1 and hit enter. It again shows a file selection pop-up. I select the Excel file that contains the scraped profiles and open it. Now the bot starts following all the profiles listed in the Excel sheet one by one. As you can see, it keeps following users and also updates their status in the Excel sheet. Let me show you this in the Excel sheet. As soon as a user is followed, their status changes from scraped to following. All the profiles that were followed have their status updated accordingly. Now I stop the board and move on to the unfollow users mode. I press 2 and hit enter. Again, I select the same Excel file. This mode only unfollows users whose status is following. It intelligently skips users that were not followed. The bot goes through the list one by one and unfollows only the relevant profiles. As you can see, the unfollow task is now completed. It skipped profiles that were already unfollowed or never followed. It skipped all these profiles because we never followed them. The bot is intelligent enough that it only unfollowed the profiles that we had just followed. It did not waste its time on the profiles that we were not following. The next mode is to follow all the followers of one profile. So I just press 4 and hit enter. Now it asks me to enter the targeted profile's URL. For example, if I want to follow all the followers of this specific profile, I simply enter the profile URL and hit enter. Now you will see that it starts following all the publicly available followers of this specific profile. It opens that profile, opens the followers section, and starts following them. Let me show you this. Here you can see that it has started following them. As you can see, it is following all the followers that are available. In this way, if you want to follow all the followers of a specific person, you can use this mode. This mode keeps running until it follows all the publicly available followers of that profile. As you can see, it has followed almost all the publicly available followers and finished the task. Now we move on to the next and final mode. The last mode is to unfollow everyone that you are following on your profile. This mode is very useful when you want to clean up your Instagram profile. So I press 5 to unfollow everyone, and it asked me to enter my Instagram profile URL. I enter my Instagram profile URL and hit enter. Now it asks for confirmation and says that this will unfollow everyone. I type yes to continue. Now you will see that it opens my profile, goes to the following section, and starts unfollowing everyone that I am following on Instagram. This mode is extremely helpful when you want to perform a cleanup operation on your profile. So this was all about this Instagram bot. If you are looking to grow your Instagram profile and gain a lot of followers really quickly, then you can contact us. Contact details are available in the description. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.